We, the students of class 11G, welcome you all to our class presentation under Spectrum. I, Palak Oberoi, along with my friend Ishita Gangwani, will take you to our class presentation, the topic for which is The Journey of 1,000 Miles Begins with a Single Step.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Above Chinese code by Lao Tzu contains an extraordinary amount of wisdom. Every journey begins with a single step. It's this single step which leads to the next step and then the step after that and so on and so forth.
It is a concept that can be applied to any endeavor. It doesn't matter what it is what you intend to do, create, explore, experience or even become. You will need to take the first step. Regardless of what you are seeking, there is always one action that will serve as a powerful and transformation first step.
Within you, there is infinite creativity and endless power. Within you, there are possibilities and potentials. Within you, there is a radiance which is beyond measure or description. All you must do then is to take the first step.
And remember, the secret of getting ahead is getting started. Taking the first step is the difference between actually pursuing your passion and just dreaming about it.
So, let's showcase our PowerPoint presentation on the same topic.
A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. The proverb journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step originated in China during the 6th century. A phrase similar appears in a Chinese religious text, Tao Te Ching, composed by Saint Lao Tzu. The original text reads, "A journey of 1,000 li stands beneath one's feet." Li in Chinese means mile. Therefore, the proverb means that a journey of 1,000 miles stands beneath one's feet, which refers to the first step.
Since then, the proverb has been translated into different languages by saints, sages, and others. Today, it is popularly used by motivational speakers across the globe.
The proverb means that any journey, whether long or short, starts by taking the very first step towards the destination. The proverb doesn't refer to the actual journeys or trips, but to goals, tasks, and actions.
The proverb indicates the significance of the first step in journey, as it's only the first step which points out that the journey, howsoever long, has already begun. On the contrary, if the first step is not taken, then the journey doesn't start and it remains a dream which is never realized.
The first step is always essential to accomplishment of any goal. If you wait for things to happen, then probably nothing would happen. Waiting idle doesn't create success. You have to take the initiative and act towards the first step, and then the other steps would follow.
Dreams and life goals are achieved by making a path plan and taking the first step towards it. The first step that you take on your path plan is significant as it indicates your resolve.
So, if you have a dream and you want to materialize it and make it come true, then you must chart out a plan and take that very important first step fearlessly and without any hesitation, as this initial move will take you finally to your destination.
Howsoever long the distance might seem, or the dreams may seem too big to realize, but rather than being discouraged by these facts, we should firmly begin our journey, confiding in our own abilities. If you want things to happen, then get up, take the initiative, and act. Don't wait for things to happen, rather make them happen.
Often laziness and inner resistance prevents us from taking the first step. Once you take the first step in the direction of your goal, the second step would follow and your motivation to succeed would grow. It would then be easier to overcome laziness and inner resistance.
The bottom line is that the journey might be 1,000 miles long, but it surely will be finished one day, and goals should be achieved if the first step towards it is taken with confidence and determination.
In the words of former US President Barack Obama, the best way to not feel hopeless is to get up and do something. Don't wait for good things to happen to you. If you go out and make some good things happen, you will fill the world with hope. You will fill yourself with hope.
So, act as if what you do makes a difference. It does.
Don't downgrade your dream just to fit your reality. Upgrade your conviction to match your dreams. Write your own destiny.
Remember, all progress takes place outside the comfort zone. The key to success is to start before you are ready.
After this PPT, let's watch the journey of ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, that is the National Space Agency of India, headquartered in Bengaluru. ISRO is known for shocking the row with brilliant accomplishment on a patent budget.
There can be no better example for our topic than our very own space organization, ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. So come, let's explore its journey.
They say slow and steady wins the race. ISRO has proved that every single step it has taken is steadily and consistently taking it to glorious heights.
We are on the verge of creating a new India. If we, the students of school, understand the depth of the proverb, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and embark on new initiatives, a new dawn is not far away.
Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow.
5 daily reminders. I'm amazing. I can do anything. Positivity is a choice. I celebrate my individuality. I'm prepared to succeed.
It's time to get yourself together, fix what can be fixed, improve your thoughts, read more books, indulge in self development, work on your moods, get stronger and healthier, work on yourself, work on your happiness, Be full of self love, improve on your weaknesses, be comfortable about your growth, outgrow yourself, be who you are meant to be.